Keep it simple. Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best buttermilk pancakes you've ever tasted. These pancakes are light, fluffy, and full of flavor. And the best part? They're easy to make from scratch with just a few simple ingredients. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1¼ cups buttermilk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and mix until just combined. Don't overmix or the pancakes will be tough. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Grease lightly with butter or cooking spray. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to scoop the batter onto the pan. Cook until the edges start to look dry and bubbles form on the surface, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the pancake and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until lightly golden brown. Repeat until all the batter is used up. Serve with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. And there you have it, fluffy buttermilk pancakes made from scratch in no time at all. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching.